So here's the whole plan. You connect Claude to Higgsfield using MCP connector. I'll break this down later. Then you give it some photos of an apartment, and Claude makes this. People want to pay for this, and here's why. 73% of homeowners say they're more likely to list with a real estate agent who uses video, but only 9% of agents actually create listing videos. And research shows that 83% of travelers feel video provides the best sense of a property before booking. Airbnb hosts are desperate for a video right now, and most of them can't get it. Videographer costs a lot of money, so thousands of listings just sit there with static photos getting skipped. Now, this video is not going to be me selling you a course. I'll just show you how to connect Claude to Higgsfield, turn a host's photos into a cinematic property walkthrough, and sell that as a service. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's the engine behind this. Higgsfield is an AI video generator. You give it images and text prompts and it produces cinematic video clips. Claude is the AI assistant, and through something called MCP, you can think of it as a bridge that lets Claude actually control other tools. Well, you can connect Claude directly to Higgsfield using this. Once they're connected, here's what becomes possible. You drop a host's Airbnb screenshots into Claude. Claude analyzes them. The style, the colors, the furniture, the layout, the whole vibe of the place. And then Claude writes the shot list and sends the prompts straight to Higgsfield, which generates video clips. So instead of you manually prompting a video tool over and over, Claude does the creative thinking and the production direction for you. Setting this up is really straightforward. You just go to Customize here, and then you go to Connectors, and then all you gotta do is to click Add and click Add Custom Connector here, and something like this is gonna open up. You just give it a name, Higgsfield, whatever, and now you need this link. You get that from Higgsfield. There's this here, MCP, click on it. Make sure you're here on MCP, and here, selected Claude, and this is your link here. Just copy it, paste it here in this box, and then click on Add. That's it. Now you have Higgsfield here inside of Claude. And now you just talk to Claude in plain English. Here are the screenshots, just generate me a walkthrough. That's the workflow. Yes, you do have to have a paid subscription on both of these, but here's a little trick that worked for me. If you just sign up on Higgsfield and then just wait a few days, eventually you will get an email like this. And this is like a one-time special offer, which gives you 2 days full access for $3 on Higgsfield. You get 40 credits, enough to try this out and make a few samples for yourself. It works, and you can make few videos which you can use to reach out to clients. Now, I have to be straight with you about something, because if you don't understand this, you will oversell and get refund requests. Higgsfield generates AI video from images and prompts. It doesn't create like a 3D scan of the exact room. So the output is not a literal frame accurate recording of that specific property. What it actually produces is an AI walkthrough that captures the same aesthetic and feel. You know, similar furniture style, the same color palette, the same lighting, the same mood. It's an inspired by version of the space, not a documentary of it. But here's a key insight for marketing. That's just fine. You know, it's exactly what you want. This is what you tell to clients with proof. 83% of travelers feel video provides the best sense of a property before booking. And honestly, hosts know this. They want video. But here's their problem. A professional real estate walkthrough video costs between $400 and $800. Cinematic ones with drone footage, even more. That's a lot for a house with 1 or 2 units. So you've got a massive demand here and a quality gap. And that's the exact gap you're gonna fill. It doesn't have to be like perfect. People just wanna see how it looks. Like they just wanna see the camera movement made from those pictures that they already saw. So you're not selling a perfect 3D replica. You're just selling a gorgeous, mood-driven promo video that makes a host's place look irresistible on Instagram, on TikTok, and that's what they want. Just position it that way, set that expectation clearly, and everyone's gonna be happy. And yes, the more screenshots the host gives you, living room, bedroom, kitchen, all of it, the closer the AI gets to this actual space. So always ask for as many angles as possible, or just take them directly from Airbnb. Let's make one right now. Step 1, just get the assets, all right? Let's just take this apartment here, and then just take the pictures, all of it. Living room, here it is. Just click on these pictures, right click on it, save image as, you know how it goes. The more you take, the better the end result. Then just upload up to 10 images here. I took living room and a bedroom for this. And all you gotta do now is to click on continue. It's a widget here, you see. Click on continue. This is gonna open up. Just confirm this and the video creation is gonna start. So as you can see, got them generating a new walkthrough with all 8 new photos. And you can see the prompt here. So it made the entire prompt. I haven't done anything. I just uploaded the pictures. So Claude will analyze everything. It'll make a shot list and give you the end result. If you're gonna use CDance, it's gonna be up to 15 seconds, but if you want longer ones, all you gotta do is to use CapCut or Canva in order to just stitch them together. But most people don't want longer videos. They just want up to, let's say, 40 seconds. It's mainly gonna be for their Instagram or TikTok because they can't upload video directly on Airbnb. The end result is gonna appear here. Just play it. You probably noticed these small breaks, these cuts. That's why you need more pictures. And the client is going to give you more pictures so Claude and Higgsfield can understand the path from one room to another one, for example. But honestly, you should make it like this first because this is what you're going to use in order to reach out to clients. Please provide some value up front and people will come to you. Because if you take few listings that have weak or no video at all, and you make something like this for free, and you send them, and you send a message like, I made this video for your listing, here it is, I can make more like this if you want. What's gonna happen is, well, a host who sees a finished, beautiful product of their property, well, it's just gonna be a whole different conversation than just a cold pitch. You've already proven the value, and you can find these on Airbnb, on local Facebook groups, host groups, booking.com, and that's honestly gonna be the hardest part. Finding the clients, because after all, this is a service business. You have to find your own clients, and you can charge anywhere between $100 and $200 for each one of these, since these professional ones are like anywhere between $400 to $800. You can even offer packages for people who have plenty of properties. And of course, let's talk about some downsides as well, because there are. You have to pay for subscriptions. That's it. But as I've told you, you can test it, make a few of these, and then send it to clients, and then afterwards you pay for a subscription when you land your first client. That's a path. Also, this is a real service with real demand, but it's still a service business. You have to find clients and you have to deliver quality. It doesn't run itself. It's not a get-rich-quick thing. Realistically, you can just get your first client in the first couple of weeks, but you have to reach out. The other route is if you want to go on Fiverr, but there's lower prices there, and you have to wait for clients to come to you. But as I've told you, there is a demand, and these people have budgets. And best of all, honestly, this is too early for this kind of thing. You can be one of the first people who make this. Also, you can start in your local area. Maybe you know already a few people who rent out apartments. And that's the whole play. Just connect Claude to Higgsfield, turn these photos into walkthroughs, and just start with one sample, one city, one happy client, and then scale from there. The demand is sitting right here. It's possible if you work on it.